Alright. It's going.
It's going. Disassembly and reassembly of 50 cal 1 point.
Dude, Neo.
Pull forward.
I am Morpheus.
Okay.
You are the chosen one.
I don't think this needs commentary, huh?
50 cal chosen one.
Trying to do a blindfolded, huh?
Yep.
He's the chosen one.
Yeah. Just as long as the fucking parts don't roll away, it's not that bad.
Does that tattoo on your finger hurt? How many do you have? Well, I'm getting lots of them while you're sick on you with. Starting handle. 8 tattoos. 8? She had chicken feet tattooed on the right foot.
Just from the fucking giddy up.
You're not testing, are you?
Oh, yeah, you just got that.
Oh, really? She never told me when she got it.
Oh.
You're fighting with that all day, so you do something else. Chicken feet tattooed on their feet?
Did you practice before? This is your first time touching me? Oh, what the fuck are you? This is the first time. I'm not testing you.
You got some fingernail
Your
clippers,
first time? Yeah?
I'll take it apart. Did you ever eat? Pull up on the bolt after, and get that bolt back for you. Pull up on it. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Is there any pizza left? Grab some water.
Stop trying to hit me and hit me. They're coming, Neo.
Okay.
They're coming.
Walk up and test out, alright?
I'm gonna go out. I'm tired. You good? I don't even know.
Couldn't get the internet.
No,
It's all undone.
Reassembly.
Put it straight down. You can top it so you're on fire with don't do now, it'll come off. Freaking fight the shit out of it. I probably laugh at it.
Guarantee you'll do it.
What's the difference in that going in and out? Yeah, push down on the steer with the rod. Spinning rod. You already fire it? You already fire it?
Yeah.
You did fire?
That's one good thing about having big hands, I can get them on both sides there. You'll be able to fit pieces in.
Just pull up the accelerator. That's what I'm saying, use the accelerator, the cocking hammer. Right there. There's a little notch in there, just inside that half moon. So, try that out there. Yeah. Don't try it too hard. I should just pull it out of it.
The world is changing, Neo.
Some horrible complicated here.
Oh man, it's fun though. I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah.
You got that photo still? No? Saw my photo. Yeah, I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate it. Get that fucking crotch on in your pants, 'cause I didn't really want to see you set on me.
There, no Neblo? Oh, okay.
There's a little view of the Undertaker's there. I didn't plan on it. I was like, okay.
That's fair, right?
That's the bolt.
Yeah, it's the bolt.
Nothing's gonna go like that. Short end goes right. Trigger that, you're putting that in, grab it, okay, you know how to line it up. You can actually feel where it's.
The pinhole way back.
You found it.
I found it. Yay. Okay, the wrist pinhole.
It's stuck in my head for a couple of days.
Do you hear that bar?
Yeah, fucking, some guy, some little guitarist guy was telling me
Heck,
Hmm?
the pinhole way.
Mm-hmm.
Where?
stuck in my head, so I was talking.
Same place I rode to last time?
Down that fucking way?
Mm-hmm.
Are you fucking serious?
Yep.
Seriously, can you go fetch that?
Okay, hold on. You got to stop the video then.
Alright, sure.
Alright, this is the sequel.
Yeah, if people wouldn't take parts away when I'm freaking doing this
This is the
shit.
first time you've touched it.
Oh, come on.
We must finish the battle.
Alright.
Accelerator southwest. Yeah, one goes up.
Okay. Next time, don't bounce that.
Yep.
This down.
Go the other face. Two months in there. Yeah, drop it. You keep it face that. Further up in there.
Glad you didn't have a wrap in there, after the negligent discharge. I don't know about those hands in your wrap.
How to feel around, I don't want to get it out that day, but we were posting around.
That's the numbers on the 240 yellow bill.
Thank you.
The hole.
That one goes for forward. That one goes forward. Goes up. That one goes
Oh, thanks.
I'm
gonna stop you right here.
I'll go over with you.
No, do it.
You want to do that?
Open the bolt or open the fucking inside, everything that cut it, everyone, some of the things I'm gonna do, like stuff like CD at the house. And then
Stay for a while, then.
yeah.
Okay.
Bam.
Hold both and rear.
Well done.